When one of the most charming microcars in automotive history gets a full-blown 2026 makeover. This is the rebirth of the legendary BMW Isetta, reimagined with modern performance, luxury craftsmanship, and unmistakable retro-futuristic style. Today, we're breaking down its front design, side profile, rear styling, powertrain possibilities, projected pricing, and launch timeline. So buckle up, this tiny icon just went very big. The rounded hood is sculpted with deep metallic red paint that reflects light like liquid glass, while the central BMW roundel proudly anchors the nose. Circular LED headlights replace the classic lamps, now featuring crisp halo rings and projector elements, giving the car a premium, high-tech stare while still honoring its 1950s roots. Down low, slim daytime running lights are integrated into the bumper, flanked by polished chrome accents that wrap the lower fascia. It's a perfect balance, playful proportions up top and serious engineering underneath. Even the windshield wiper layout and hood vents feel carefully redesigned, blending nostalgia with aerodynamic efficiency. The glossy black roof panel contrasts beautifully with the deep red bodywork, creating a floating roof effect that instantly modernizes the silhouette. New multi-spoke alloy wheels fill the arches, wrapped in low-profile tires that hint this isn't just a city toy anymore. It's something you'd actually enjoy carving through urban streets. Chrome side mirrors, subtle rocker panel trim, and the flowing belt line give the car a premium edge, while reflections along the doors show just how carefully this body has been sculpted. Even the stance feels more confident. Short overhangs, planted track width, and subtle fender flares suggest far better stability than the original ever dreamed of. The rear hatch wears elegant Isetta script beneath the BMW badge, while slim LED taillights stretch horizontally, adding width and modern presence. A central vented panel nods to coolant requirements, possibly for a rear-mounted electric motor or battery thermal system, while dual exhaust outlets underneath suggest something a bit spicier for those hoping this isn't purely electric. Chrome bumpers remain, but now they're reshaped for aerodynamics and impact protection, blending safety with classic style. From straight on, the car looks adorable. From three-quarters, it looks confident. And from behind, it honestly looks ready for production. Given current trends, the most likely scenario is a fully electric drivetrain. Expect a compact, rear-mounted motor producing somewhere between 60 and 90 horsepower, paired with a lightweight battery pack aimed at urban efficiency. That could mean a range of around 200 to 250 kilometers, perfect for city commuting, with fast charging capability bringing it back to 80% in under 30 minutes. However, those dual exhaust tips in the rear design tease the possibility of a small, turbocharged hybrid setup, perhaps a 1.0-liter three-cylinder paired with electric assist. Either way, performance wouldn't be about outright speed. It'd be about agility, instant torque, and fun behind the wheel. Positioned as a lifestyle urban EV or retro-inspired collector car, the projected price would likely fall between $25,000 and $35,000 USD, depending on drivetrain and trim level. Think of it as less mainstream commuter and more design icon, something for enthusiasts, city dwellers, and collectors who want something truly different. As for launch timing, if this concept represents a near-production study, a late 2026 debut or early 2027 release would make perfect sense, possibly first in Europe before expanding globally. With its unmistakable shape, luxury-inspired interior, modern lighting tech, and forward-thinking drivetrain possibilities, this tiny legend might just become one of the coolest urban cars of the decade. Would you daily drive a modern Isetta? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into retro-futuristic design, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we've got a lot more iconic revivals coming your way.